wondered why certain people are losing weight on a high protein diet whereas you are getting bloated? You've seen that your friend is eating the same high carb diet just like you, but she's not putting on weight, but you are putting on weight. The science of it I will reveal in today's video. Hello, I'm Dr. Harshita Jain, a functional medicine physician and therapist who is trained in reversing diseases by getting to the root cause of it. In today's video, I will share with you how to eat based on your blood group. Yes, your blood group influences the kind of diet you need to have, the food which is good for you, the food which is not so good for you. And this theory comes from Dr. Peter Adam in his book Eat Right for Your Type, and this type is nothing but your blood group. So let's dive into each blood group at a time. First, O blood group, be it O positive or O negative. This is one of the oldest blood group which we know, the earliest blood group and one of the most commonest blood group as well. So what should you be eating? Eat more of food which is rich in proteins. Proteins will give you that fitness, nutrition and leanness. And what are the foods you need to avoid? Avoid dairy, gluten, grains, because that will give you gut issues which is not required. Second, A blood group. This was discovered during the time of development of agriculture. So these are the people who will thrive a lot on whole food plant-based diet. So eating fresh vegetables, fruits, whole grains is good for you. The kind of food you need to avoid is coming to non-vegetarian meat, red meat especially, and dairy. These are the food which is not so healthy for you based on your blood group. Third, B blood group. This is my blood group, B positive. Tell me in the comment what is your blood group. These are the people who like variety in their diet. So these are ones who can actually eat most of the food, and it needs to be more and more variety. If you're eating one single type, you will not see much of results. The kind of food you need to avoid, you have tendency to actually allergies like peanut allergy, corns. So these are the food you need to avoid: lentils, peanut, corn, and sometimes even chicken. Finally, let's come to the fourth blood group, AB. AB blood group is one of the rarest blood group and the last one to get discovered. So the food you need to eat is going to be combination of A and B. So add more of whole food plant-based, add more variety to your diet, and the foods you need to avoid will be actually caffeine, alcohol, and anything which is smoked. If you've been able to relate to this information, give me a thumbs up. Remember, this information is based on the study and research from the lens of Dr. Peter. If you need to go into more detail, reach out to your nutritionist who can put all pieces of puzzle together to create a personalized plan for you. If you want me to create a video on what kind of exercise you need to do based on your blood group, then put that down in the comments and I'll create one video just for that. If you like this video, hit the bell icon and watch the other videos which are already there on this channel. You will gain a lot of insights from it. Thank you. Signing off, Dr. Harshita Jain.